Cinnamon is one of the most popular spices in the world and is added to a number of different recipes to enhance their flavor. Even more, cinnamon water is an easy way to obtain many important and unique compounds that can promote our overall health and provide medicinal benefits. 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon added to a cup of water is more than enough. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of drinking cinnamon water regularly. First, cinnamon water is an antioxidant powerhouse since it contains many different potent antioxidants. This can provide numerous health benefits, such as reducing inflammation, eliminating free radicals, and boosting immunity. Cinnamon contains many different polyphenol antioxidants and flavonoids. Regular consumption of cinnamon water can also provide benefits for those individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Cinnamon water can improve insulin sensitivity and significantly reduce insulin resistance. As well, it can lower blood sugar levels and work to reduce the risk of developing metabolic syndrome. Cinnamon water can also help to fight unwanted bacteria in the body and certain infections. This is attributed to the unique compound cinnamaldehyde, found in cinnamon, an active compound that can reduce various infections. Drinking cinnamon water regularly can also provide antimicrobial effects. If you are looking to reduce inflammation throughout the body, cinnamon water can certainly help in this regard. Studies have shown that cinnamon can reduce inflammation, even chronic inflammation, due to its potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. This allows for the elimination of free radicals while reducing oxidative stress. Lastly, drinking cinnamon water can help to promote heart health and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. It can help to lower bad LDL cholesterol, total cholesterol, and triglycerides. Importantly, cinnamon water can also help to regulate good HDL cholesterol. Cinnamon water can also help to reduce blood pressure. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.